Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. Today is gonna be a busy day, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start planning, and I have to do a few touches for my thumbnail for the Friday's video. Also, I need to clean up the house. It's very messy. Yeah, everything's around the place, so we need to do that. We need to cook today. I do work later today. Christian is actually his second day of daycare, which like has to be another video or something, because I was with him at all time and now I'm a little weirded out because he's not here, but it's something that he needs. And it's not that, you know, me and Adam want some free time, because I mean we're gonna be working, you know. I'm gonna be working full-time, Adam's already working full-time. It's more for his social skills, because since we don't have any family here, we only have an uncle. Christian is just used to me and his dad, and when he see kids outside, when we go to the playground, he just acts like so excited and he doesn't know how to interact with them. And yeah, that's something we can work on, but I feel like it's so much easier if we just do this daycare thing. He's almost 3, so, and he was a little, you know, late with his speech. I feel like that's a reason why too. Now he's much better. If you've seen any of my videos, he does talk. But yeah, I feel like the interaction with kids out there, playtime, learning time, skill time, it's gonna do him some good. So even though, you know, I would prefer him close to me because I'm a mom and I feel like every mom is like that, we do need breaks too. So today, since I don't work till later today, I still can do all these things and take advantage of the fact that he is a daycare. And we also get, I want to tell you guys about that. We also get, there's a app for it. It's called like Bright Wheel. You get all the updates, the potty, when he had lunch, how much he ate, videos, pictures, all the activities, you know everything about. So yeah, I'm like watching this app like a hawk, but that's a good thing. And he seems to have fun, outdoor play, all of that. So I'm glad we went with that. And let's just go ahead and start the day. Already my skin is moisturized, so that's why it looks so greasy. Like I'm done with my care routine in the morning. I'll do this planning now. I have to do some work on computer, and then I have to, probably gonna be time to go downstairs because I haven't even had my coffee yet. So let's do that. I just love the smell of coffee. Yes. Okay, so this is the soup, and I just realized that we don't have onions, and onions are basically a staple in whenever I make soups. But I guess this time there's not going to be no onions because I already started it and it's too late to go to the grocery store. So we're doing that, and I'm waiting it to like be a little softer, and then I'm going to throw these in. We've been kind of liking these. We bought it at Sam's Club, a big like 7-pack or 6-pack. We're going through them. It's pretty good. So that's gonna be the lunch slash dinner. Because it's already 3:47. And I just put some laundry in, and I still have to get myself ready. I do have to clean the kitchen a little bit because it always ends up like this. Need to clean those dishes, clean up the living room a little bit, and go upstairs, put some makeup on, clean up there, get the laundry done, and that is the plan for now. So let's go ahead and wash these dishes. Alright, so soup is almost done, and I'm just gonna put it on low for a little bit to cook all the pasta inside that I put in. The kitchen is almost clean. I have to put these back. Right. Yep, the kitchen is mostly clean. I gotta go upstairs and finish the video, so we'll see you upstairs. Okay, so it's been a few days. I haven't been vlogging, and honestly I haven't been filming at all. I just have not been in the mood, I guess. So a lot of things have been happening. But anyways, today I want to go ahead and finish the vlog, but not quite yet. Keep on vlogging and finish the vlog, add some more footage. Christian is at daycare and Adam is at work. He will be picking him up on the way back, and it's been a week since his first daycare day, and I'm still not used to it. I mean, most of the time when he's at daycare at work, so usually when I get home we just go ahead and pick him up. But today is like I'm home earlier and he's still at daycare, and I don't know, it feels weird to have an empty house. you know, we as parents, at least I am, I'm like, you know, I love the dude, but it's like, give me a little space, you know, I just want a second for myself. But now it's like, okay, I have this second for myself, and do I want it? Because, I mean, I'm sure I do. I look like a mess. I'm tired. I've been sick. But yes, like you get this time by yourself and you like so not used to it. It's like, what do I do? Do I pick up a book? Do I play on the piano? What do I do? You know, and then you like, but what's my pumpkin doing? So I keep checking like the phone to see updates from the daycare because they have an app. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and write down a grocery list. I'm not sure if we'll be able to go to Sam's today or it would be some other day because our membership is ending on March like 8th, and we are thinking about canceling it after that, so, and going to Costco because there's a new Costco that opened like not too long ago close to our home. I mean, it's still like a 20 minutes drive, but that's not too bad. So yeah, we might do that, but we're probably still gonna do our last Sam's Club haul and then do that, say bye-bye to Sam's, and then get a Costco membership. That's gonna be fun. We're gonna start doing the Costco vlogs, or not Costco vlogs, like Costco shop with me's and the hauls. I'm kind of excited because I haven't been in a Costco ever, so that's gonna be an experience. But yeah, so for now I do have to write down, you know, a grocery list, look up some recipes because we've been cooking a lot home. We haven't been eating out at all. So we kind of went through our meats. I mean, we still have like potatoes and like side dishes. We still have plenty of rice. But we kind of low on the meats in the freezer. We only have like a few drums and I think some turkey, ground turkey a little bit. Not enough. And yes, so that's a plan, and we're like out of the produce and everything, so we need to get some, you know, tomatoes, some more avocados, all of that good stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna write that down, and then probably by the time I'm done, my family will be home, hopefully. So yeah, let's do that now. And I don't know if I told you guys, but we went to Home Depot the other day and I got the little extra stuff that you add on your Happy Planner. So I got the chores, which is like home chores. I did not know that would look like this, but this is the extension. And it comes with the chores. You see, I haven't really written anything in it. Because that's not what exactly I wanted. I wanted a to-do list. But it ended up like this, and it's fine. I'll get to it eventually. Meal planning, I like. It has the meal plan option, and it has all the substitution, which I thought it was pretty cool. And I didn't write much in here, but you could see what we had. Yeah, I'm not the best at meal prepping, like you can obviously see. But we're working on it. And I like that it comes with like an actual grocery list. And snack quick bites, recipe meal prep. It's pretty cool. Budget, I haven't written anything. And project, I haven't written anything, but it looks pretty nice. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna write it, do the grocery list right here, and then brainstorm some recipes and some meals that we'll be doing. Alright, so it's later in the day. Adam's is giving Christian a bath, and I'm just gonna show you guys. We did a little grocery shop. We got a few things from Harris Teeter, little snacks and some produce and fruits. I'm gonna show you what we got. Alright, so got some little green beans. We have like no produce left, so we have to have at least something till we are able to go actually grocery shop at Sam's. We got some bananas. We don't have anything. Our little bowl is empty. It only has some chocolates, which is not too filling. Go. Got some blueberries, strawberries, got some cuties. Just not a cuties. Mandarins. So Harris Teeter has this crazy sales, and it's like buy 2 cheeses and get 3 for free. So yeah, we got white cheddar, whole milk mozzarella cheese, Parmesan, which is my favorite cheese, the Mexican, and Carmen pizza. They're set on cheese for about a few months. This is not the best decision, but I just felt like I wanted some. I've been eating this a little too much, but I don't know, they just so addicting. I'll try not to eat a whole bag. Cheese it, extra toasty. We got our favorite bread is Dave's bread, and this is honestly so delicious. It is a little expensive, definitely on the expensive side, but it's a very good, delicious bread. So try it out at least once. I dare you. Our shrimp. We haven't bought shrimp in a while, and it was on sale. So we went ahead and got some shrimp. Yep, that is it. I think I'm gonna finish the vlog now. I'm gonna go ahead and make Christian his oatmeal so he can eat and then go to sleep. We might watch half an episode of whatever we decide to watch and go to sleep. Tomorrow is another working day, so that's gonna be fun. Thank you so much for watching this all over the place vlog, I feel like, because it's like one day and then a week after, but hope you did enjoy this, and I will see you in my next videos.